In this video, we walk you through color settings in the design system to show you how to level up your website's visual appeal. Once you choose a template, leave the default color palette untouched or easily customize it to your liking, whether you want to change primary or system colors. Choose your primary colors to highlight the most important information on your website and decide on the secondary ones to flawlessly harmonize with them. Make the most of colors by applying both solid colors and gradients. Once you decide on your colors, simply apply them to the needed widgets from the Properties panel. With system colors, effectively communicate vital messages and feedback to users. Embrace the conventional yet impactful selection of red for warnings, green for success, and more. Alternatively, customize the shade to your liking, or opt for something completely different. Lastly, customize or set up the existing colors for the dark mode to ensure their visibility and accessibility if needed. There you go! Now you're all set to start customizing the default color palettes to your preferences, including primary and secondary colors to match the desired mood and style. Up next, we'll be covering presets, the ultimate time-saving superheroes that help you provide consistency in design elements and functionality across your website. Stay tuned for more. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.